Around to 8, we are just standing here. This motor is passing. After around to 8, so this motor just bends. After bending, just the driver get down. So the driver, we just asked the driver what is inside it. Then some people are saying it's fuel, it's gas, and we didn't know the rating is inside. Before the thing come just bend down. After bending down, it just come fall. So after the thing fall, everything come burst. Everywhere is start fire.
Look at, because we have no road, and this is not the first time. And second one, this has been happening several times, killing many people, damaging many things. Look at this, it's because of the bad road. We don't have road. Obiano is not doing anything in Anambra. You understand me? We say we boys in Anambra, we are not happy. Look at what happened now, and there is no this thing, fair distance service in Anambra State. Before they came here, fair have already damaged everything, damaged many things. No fair service in Anambra State. Anambra did not have even common fair distance service. Only they call us our people, as our came here before the middle when this in light.
Well, I was upstairs, this is my building. So all of a sudden, people started running about. So I asked what is happening. They said a tanker fell there. And all of a sudden, we had to zoom. That was light. So everybody started running high to scatter. By the time we came, this is my shop there. We didn't bring anything out there. So it's a wonderful situation. Well, the Anambra State tried, but we have a fire service there, but they didn't come. It was from Alka and Newu and Asaba people that came. But before they came, things have already got worse. My plea, we need help. We really need help. This is January, and we're paying for school fees, paying for house rents, paying for shop rents, and no money for food. You see? Yeah, we need help.
Now everything that is in this shop just bomb. Everywhere just scatter. Even this, we are selling rice and Indomie, provision everywhere. Just look at the fire, just spoil everything because of bad road. So I'm not happy. I swear I'm not happy about this. We are not happy at all because this road is not good. That's why every day, every blessed month, motor will fall here. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not happy anymore. Government, you should do something about it. I'm not happy.